Next, we have the Brochuez 100 Toner, a low-loading transport trailer that can transport up to 120 tons on the 790mm high trailer bed. This trailer has the capacity to be extended while still maintaining that the bed is level for stability. If the operator extends the trailer, 2 of its axles will remain connected to the gooseneck and aid for the 30-ton movable gooseneck. This is done so that a good kingpin pressure and ideal distribution of load is still provided. It's not news to us that mining sites have some of the most challenging environments to work with. That's why machines and vehicles deployed within those areas need to be able to withstand those conditions too. Good thing we have the Town Hall Lowboy. Thanks to its compact design, it can work with a lot of prime movers like articulated dump trucks, haul trucks, and even heavy-duty off-road vehicles. The operator does not have a hard time working with it too, since it has a low loading angle and excellent ground clearance. On top of that, its controls are not confusing as well, since all of the Town Hall Lowboy's features can be seen in used cycle of transportation in just an hour. This has been reported to increase productivity and give more effective working hours. Since it's also a smaller fleet, maintenance costs and equipment purchase budget are also relatively lower. In fact, this promises to give 20% less maintenance labor hours too. What more can you ask for? Truly an efficient and cost-effective transport solution without sacrificing the benefits. Now, let's go to the LoadQuip SW450, a type of low loader designed to reduce operating costs while increasing machine utilization on mine sites. Can you believe that? Thanks to its multiple brakes and innovative swing wheel technology, this low loader no longer has to deal with issues other heavy-duty transport trailers have to face. Now, operators no longer have to worry about equalization systems failing, tire scrape during turning, and not even variable retardation. Aside from that, the load platform can now be lowered to the ground too without needing much help from the operator. All of these incredible features allow even just one person to finish the entire loading procedure in just 10 minutes. Truly impressive. Did you know that the process of large cargo transportation needs to undergo a series of approval first before it gets started? Well, since heavy-duty machines are about to carry heavy loads too, their weights and how the whole operation will go needs to be checked first. If not, damages to the road or other safety issues might occur. However, in Australia, superloads are actually transported easily since their highways often remain vacant. In this clip, you'll see how they use the cargo system from NHH Hauling to transport this water tank. The Panther Series 2 was designed and developed to aid in the mining industry, and it's certain to deliver safe and productive operations. This low-loader range is equipped to meet all of their customers' needs, with safety and ease of operation as top priorities. The payload capacities of these loaders range from 80,000 kilograms to 1 million kilograms, and they can even be configured to work best with specific earth-moving and mining equipment and adapt well in even the harshest mining site conditions. It also has a hydraulic system to help lower the trailer's height to the ground and raise it when loaded. As a result, when moving, there is more ground clearance. Now that that's done, let's get straight into the video. To start the list, let's first get to know the Sleipner E550, a transport system that promises to be 100% effective. Large-size excavators are usually very difficult to transport, but they are a necessity to mining sites too. So companies try to look for ways to safely move them, and one of which is through this transport system. They're linked to the chains of a crawling crane and use the same mechanism as a rolling skate shoe. After that, the excavator then slews 180 degrees and pushes its bucket onto the bed of a dump truck to lift the other end of tracks off the ground. Now, it can be transported to the target location for as fast as 15 kilometers an hour, thus saving at least 85% of the time and cutting down transportation costs to 50%. Another one from Sleipner is the DB120 transport system. This series is built to help level up on-site mobility for tracked equipment. This is known to deliver fast loading, agile transporting, reliable braking, and sufficient ground clearance. During the whole operation, drills and dozers use up to 15% of their working hours traveling on tracks. But with this transport solution, traveling time is cut up to 85%, making it possible to finish one